Hey guys, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. SD cards are really useful storage devices, but sometimes they can also cause troubles like SD card corruption or accidental data loss. Can you recover files after deletion on an SD card? The answer is yes. We're not talking about recovering deleted SD card files from a Windows recycle bin. These deleted files will not be in the recycle bin actually. Although you cannot see deleted files on the SD card, the data is still there, you just need professional SD card recovery software to get it back. In this video, we'll show you a detailed tutorial to restore deleted files from an SD card. Now, remove the SD card from your device, connect it to a card reader, and connect it to the PC using a card reader. Now you can check it on your PC or laptop. Open File Explorer and you will see many photos here, because this SD card is used as a storage device for my Canon camera. Then, I'm going to remove everything from this SD card. Select all the files with the Ctrl and the A keys, and click the trash icon to delete them all. Now, you can see my SD card folder is empty. Let's go check the recycle bin. Return to the desktop and double-click the trash icon to open the recycle bin folder. You'll see the deleted photos from the SD card are not in this folder, right? Deleted items from external storage devices bypass the recycle bin, so we need a reliable memory card recovery tool. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard should be a good choice when you need to recover lost files from memory cards or other storage devices. Go to the EaseUS Data Recovery software page and click the free trial button to download the software. This product page provides more information. The software can recover data from various storage devices, including SD cards, memory cards, external hard drives, USB flash drives, and more. If you are a photographer, this software can recover deleted camera raw photos from an SD card, including Canon CR2, Nikon NEF, and Sony ARW. It also supports standard PNG or JPEG files. After installing EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for the first time, the software will automatically boot up. Select the SD card tab from the sidebar on the home page. If this SD card is used on a digital camera, the software will automatically detect the camera brand. If it doesn't, you can select the correct brand manually. Then, click Scan for lost data to get started. You don't have to wait until the scanning process is done. You can use the filter or search files during the scan. Because this SD card only stores photos, I just need to select the pictures and choose a folder to open. A good data recovery software should offer a preview feature, and you can preview the recoverable photos, documents, videos, and audio files in the EaseUS Recovery tool with a simple click. In the preview window, you can preview the photos one by one. You can even zoom in on the pictures in this window. Make sure all the files you want to recover are selected. Afterward, you can click the Recover button to save the selected files. You should not save these files on the SD card again because doing so will overwrite the data. So, just save your files on the local drive or in cloud storage like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Now, we can just save these files on the D drive by clicking Save. You can click the View Recovered button to open the folder that keeps these recovered files. Check these files to see if they can open successfully. By the way, don't forget to back up your SD card frequently. Backup is the best way to prevent data loss. Okay, that's the SD card recovery tutorial. Hope you guys can restore essential SD card files successfully. See you in the next EaseUS video.